To connect Apple Pencil 2nd generation to iPad Air, first check compatibility. Only iPad Air 4 and 5 support the Pencil 2, so make sure you are supported. Then open the Settings app, and we're going to tap into the Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is on. Then at the top of iPad Air, where the volume rockers are, to the right is the Apple Pencil connector. So place the flat ends of Apple Pencil to the connector and it should pair. If not pairing, just go into the general area of settings, then select Transfer or Reset iPad, tap Reset, and then tap Reset Network Settings. If still not working, your Apple Pencil is faulty. Even if it shows here not connect, it's faulty. You have to bring it into Apple.